Hi friends, today I am going to make kabsa as a bachelor food. You may get surprised the kabsa is a bachelor food. Yeah, we can make it in 15 to 20 minutes. It's a good food, very tasty. If you see the origin of the kabsa, it was originated from Yemen or Arabian Peninsula. It is a national food of Saudi and Yemen. And if you travel to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Oman, Saudi, Yemen, you will get this food as a traditional food of the. It was very tasty and healthy food also. The main ingredients are one chicken piece. I am going to make one plate of kabsa. So I take one leg piece chicken, one tomato chopped, and one half of onion. That's also chopped, very finely chopped onion. Very finely chopped onion. And there is one carrot. I will chop it, grind it in a small pieces. We need this in a last. And there is one lime. Actually, in Saudi, they will use black lime. They will dry this lime in 1 to 2 years. They will keep, and it will become very dark black color, and they will put it directly. But now it is not available with me. I am using the skin of the lime only. It is also dried little. Then I am putting some green peas. Actually, green peas is not the ingredient of the kabsa, but it looks like good, and I like green peas also in the rice. So I am putting this. This is not the ingredient of the kabsa. Then next, main masala ingredients. We are not grinding these masalas. We will put directly this masala: cardamom seed, black pepper, cinnamon, and then bay leaf, mace. Mace is the outer core of nutmeg. You may get it from masala store. Especially you need to ask. This item is giving the main taste of biryani or kabsa. Don't put it. I am using very small piece. I will put only half of this piece. Then star anise, black lime, bay leaf, then rice. Next ingredient is the rice. I am using a normal glass, half of the glass. It can make one full plate of kabsa or biryani. If you are making biryani, then also you can use the same measurement. Normally for kabsa we will use basmati rice, but I am using not basmati rice. It is a long golden rice. You will get per kg 40 Indian rupee in any supermarket. It is very low costly rice, but taste is similar to basmati rice. Next we need some tomato puree. I am using Dabur homemade tomato puree. I already tried this one. It was very good compared to other brands. So I am using this one. We need only 2 to 3 spoons of tomato puree for this. Let's make kabsa. I am going to use a pressure cooker for cooking kabsa. First we need to add some oil. Do not use coconut or gingerly oil or sunflower oil. They have some flavor. It will damage the taste of the kabsa. I am using palm oil. It was good, and the taste is also, it have odorless, so it will not affect the good smell of the kabsa. Only one spoon of oil I have added. Keep the stove in low flame, then add the masalas. First I am going to add the star, then clove, pepper, jeera, mace, bay leaf, and clove. When the masalas get little brown color, add the onion, chopped onion first. Don't mix the tomato with it. Then if you mix the tomato with the onion will not get its brown color. It will keep it as it is a green color. We are trying to make onion to brown color, not the dark brown. It's a golden color only. When it gets transparent, we will add a tomato also. If you need to make it little fast, add some salt. How much salt what we need for our rice? Add that much salt directly to the onion. I am adding a half spoon to taste as I like. Next we are adding tomato. When the tomato gets a pulpy form, that means it's boiled. We will add chicken also. Yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you that you can add dry fruits also. Now here I am going to add Indian dry kismis, the rice. The same way you can add cashew, badam, other kind of dry fruits what we will add for in our biryani. Directly I am adding to this gravy. We are preparing the masala for the rice as well as the masala for the chicken. I got one dry lime. I removed the skin from that. I am going to add that lime also into the masala gravy. Actually, the main difference is for biryani, we need to make chicken curry different, and the gray rice also the different. But here we are making both together, and it is time saving. Nearly half of the time we can half time we can make the good food. It's much tastier than the biryani. Next, we need to add the tomato puree, nearly 3 curry spoon. I'm adding big spoon of tomato puree. Now we need to add 1 glass of water. Actually, all the masalas we have added, only except one thing is pending. We didn't add carrot. That we will add later when we'll take the rice. Then now we allow the chicken to boil in the water. Then the water will get the taste of the chicken, and the same water we will use to boil the rice also. So the rice will get the taste of the chicken stock and the masala the same way. So no, in normal case we will make when we will make the biryani, we will make the rice, then we will do the dum to get the taste and smell of the biryani to the rice. Here what we are doing, we are preparing the chicken itself. The same water we will make the rice to boil. So the rice will get the taste of the chicken, the masala. We no need to make it dum. We can directly use it, and the chicken also will get the spicy taste also inside. No need to make a heavy normal biryani. We will use dahi, curd, and the strong masalas we will use. We are not using any strong masala. We are not making it into powder. So it is for digestion also. It is very easy. You will not get It is a spicy food, but it is not that much spicy compared to other food. Chicken is getting cooked. We can easily identify when the chicken bone and meat separate. That means the chicken is boiled. We will wait for 2 to 3 minutes. It will get boiled. In that time, the same time we will clean our rice. I have cleaned the rice, and normal case in the biryani or we will make any basmati rice, we will soak the rice in water maybe 20 to 30 minutes. That's why I am not using the basmati rice. I am using golden long brown rice. I just cleaned it in water. There is no water. I am not going to soak it. I will directly use this one. So the time consuming is normal case. We need to make it, if we are going to prepare biryani for the lunch, we need to start morning 10 to 45, 10 to 11 before. We need to make it soak. Chicken got boiled. The smell is coming. Masala mixed with chicken. It's a light chicken curry smell you will get. Then you need to lower the flame. Then take out the chicken. Keep the masala, everything inside the pot, pressure cooker, and only we are going to take the chicken. I have added the rice to the water. Just make sure after mixing everything, you can see your rice through transparent. That means the water is enough. Enough water is there. Now I am going to close this. Close the pressure cooker. Allow it to cook. Keep the pressure cooker in low flame. When you will get 1 to 2 to 3 whistles. 3 whistles is enough. Stop the flame. Now normally if we go to any kabsa shop, that means in Saudi restaurants, we will get a kabsa rice with Alfaham chicken. When the rice will get boiled, we will prepare the Alfaham chicken in the meantime. For making Alfaham chicken, we need some masala. I am only using normal mirchi powder and turmeric powder. Mirchi powder will give some mirchi powder and turmeric. Turmeric we are giving for some color, and mirchi also. Already we have put some black cardamom when we boil the chicken, so it's already get taste. It's for just for a color, and we will mix this mirchi powder and turmeric powder with some milk or little curd. If curd is not available, no need. You can mix it water also. Put some salt also, the same. There is no other masala we are not using. Only turmeric, chili, then some salt to taste. Added some milk also. Mix it well. Then cover the chicken with this masala. So when we'll make it in a barbecue form, it will get good color. It's already rice is boiled. First whistle came. I am going to switch off the pressure cooker. I covered the chicken with our masala mix. It's actually we are not going to marinate this. Those who are interested to make Alfaham chicken, they can go for 10 to 15 minutes marinate. I am directly using this one, because already we have put all the masala in the gravy. Take one non-stick pan, add some palm oil, and when it will hit hot, add the chicken also. I put some palm oil, and when it is hot, I am going to put the chicken and keep it frying down. Keep it close, otherwise it will get more dry. You will not get a juicy barbecue chicken. Keep it always close if you are going to make any barbecue with a pan, otherwise it will get more crispy. If those who like crispy, they can keep it open. I don't like crispy chicken. It will get crispy when it will get little burn and get brown color, but otherwise I don't like. I need inside little juicy style, so I keep it close. Already our rice is good, ready here. I'm waiting for to stop the whistle. Our rice is ready. Yeah. Let's look to the rice. Yeah, it's good. Good smell. Our rice is ready. Let's wait. We will take the rice with the chicken. Chicken is just getting ready. Our chicken is getting ready. Now it's almost ready. Now we can taste it, whether it is good or not. Our kabsa rice is ready. Hi. This looks good. Color is also good. That's why I add some green peas. Normally, the Arabic people don't add green peas. Maybe it is not available there. But it's some green, red, and yellow rice. And if you people are using basmati rice, you can add some saffron also, but it is costly. So I'm not using saffron here. It's much better. Don't use saffron. If you use basmati rice, you will get the basmati smell of the basmati also. Here, I'm used the ordinary rice, and you normally the Arabic people will eat with some ketchup also. Here I am using Dalmont tomato ketchup. Yeah, it's really tastes good. Little jeera taste is extra is coming. You can reduce the minute number. Salt is in the correct taste also. The oil, everything is in very good manner. You will taste the chicken also. You can see the chicken. To the cooking we closed it. That's why it will look a little juicy. Those who don't like juicy, I like juicy. Those who don't like, they can keep it open. And during masala mixing itself, you can add some half tablespoon of teaspoon of oil to it. Then if you do like that, then no need to add extra oil to the pan. You just take one non-stick pan. That's better. Okay. Whether to add milk to the chicken masala, that's your decision. I prefer milk because when the milk get the chicken will get a little lacto taste. That will make more good tasty juicy chicken. Okay, anyway, let's try. Like my channel, subscribe it, share it. I will come with some this kind of short videos, short time impressions. Okay, bye. Thank you.